solve these questions. First, we have mapping, we have geometric angles, we have vectors, fractions, and change of subject. So you can start solving it here. Now, with the mapping, and look at it, we want to use the formula method in getting the rule for the mapping. If I look at it, because the difference here is 1 and that of this one is also 2, that is addition of 2, we can use the formula y equals ax plus b, that is for linear mapping. The a alone is the difference in y on difference in x. Difference in y on difference in x. So here we are having the difference in y is what? 2. Then the difference in x is what? 1. Right, so this will give us 2. So you need to replace the a with 2. So that will be y equals, we have 2x plus b, 2x plus b. So with this one, if you look at it, we can find b picking any coordinates from the mapping there. So you can pick 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9. Any of the pair of numbers will work. So we want to pick the second one, 2, 5, where meaning the 2 is x and the 5 is y. So with this, you have 5 equals, we have 2. Then the x is 2 plus b. So you substitute the pair of numbers into the equation here. So y is 5, then x is 2. So here you have 5 equals, this is 4 plus b. 4 plus b. So you transfer the 4 to the left side. So we have 5 already here. So it will be minus 4 equal to what? B. So meaning that b will give us 1. It will give us 1. So here you substitute the 1 into the rule. So you get y equals as 2x plus 1. So instead of b, you have 1. So that becomes the rule for the mapping. So when we check it, 2 by 1, that will give you 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 by 2, that is 4 plus 1, that will give you the 5 there. Then you have 2 by 3, that is 6 plus 1, 7. 2 by 4, that is 8 plus 1 is 9. So to find the second question, that is b, is very simple. The n there, so meaning the n will be 2. Instead of x, you have 5 plus 1. So n will equal to 10 plus 1, and that is giving us 11. So that is the mapping there. I hope we were able to solve it. Right. So we want to move to the next one, that is the geometric angles. If you get this one, we want to move to the geometric angles here. You can send us your answers with the question number, then also the answer. You can solve it. You can see the angles questions here. We have the vectors, fractions, and the change of subject. So as you give us your answers in the comment section, make sure you indicate the question number so that we are all learning, we look at it. Right. So if you get this one, I want to move to the angles and solve it. So we have with the angles, you can see we have a triangle, and also this is what a paraline. So the combination of triangles with your paralines to solve the unknown letters. We have x, y, z, the x, y, z angles in this, right? So to solve for y is very simple. You can see that the y and 105 degrees are on what? Straight line. That is on straight line. So you can use angles on the straight line to solve this. So you have 105 degrees plus y equal to 180. So sum of angles on a straight line, can see this straight line here, sum of angles on the straight line give us, that is 180, right? So from here it's very simple. Y, transfer the 105 here, so it becomes 180 minus 105 degrees, right? So this will give us, that is 75 degrees, right? So this is very simple, right? So now x, you can tell us your answers there, your answers for the x. If you have been able to solve it, please give us the answers there, right? So to solve for x, you can see we are having here to be 75 degrees. And so if here is 75 degrees, then we can use sum of angles in a triangle, that is to solve for what? X, right? So to do that, we have 57 plus 75 degrees plus your x equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle, that is what? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So since we are having here the y to be 75 already, this is 57, and that is x. Obviously, use sum of angles in the triangle to solve that. So we want to add the 57 plus 75. This is 2. We have 12 here, so that will be is 13, right? So 132. So you get 132 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. And so when you add this will get 132 degrees. So from here we have x equals 180 degrees minus 132 degrees, right? So we have x to be equal to 180, 132. So this is 10, this is 8, this is 7. So that will give us 48 degrees. I hope the x also is very simple. If you can tell us how to solve for the z, the comment section will give us your answer there. The z, how do you calculate for the z? If here is 48, we have here the y to be 75, right? So if you can give us the answers there. Okay, so now to solve for z, is very simple. You don't need to even calculate for anything. This z angles or alternate angles. So z is equal to 48 degrees, and that is alternate angles, right? Alternate angles. So this angle is the same as the 48 is the same as the z, and that is alternate angles there. Very simple, right? If you get this one, I want to move to the vectors, then fractions, change of subjects. Right. So here we have the vectors question. We are given AB to be 4, 3. Then we are given BC to be -2, -7. Right. So to use resultant vectors, this question 3, sorry. To use resultant vectors, you see we have A to B to C. Right. So your resultant vector will be that is AC. So AC equals AB plus BC. Right. AB equals AC equals AB plus what? BC. So this one shouldn't be a huge problem at all. Right. So with this, we have your AC to be AB. AB is given as 4, 3 plus the BC, that is -2, -7. Right, -2, -7. So your AC will be, this is 4 plus -2, that is 2. Then 3 plus -7, that will give us -4. Right, so that is our answer for the vectors. I hope you get it. Right, so we want to quickly move to the fractions. Move to the fractions quickly here. Let's see, this is question 4, 5, and 6, right? So we have this one. We have 3 on 4 divided by 5 on 8 plus we have 4 on 5 minus 1 on 2. So obviously we're using BODMAS to solve this, right? So with this, you have 3 on 4. You change the division to multiplication, then you have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So you have times 8 on 5. 8 on 5. So plus you have this one, you find the LCM, or you can use the cross multiplication method. So this will give us 10. 2, 5, 10. Then we have 2 by 4, that will give us 8. 5 by 1, that is what? 5. So we have 5 to 10. We have 2 by 4, that is 8. Then 5, 1, 5. Right, so with this, we have 4 here, 1, here, 2. Right, then this we will get what is outside here to be 3 by 2, that is 6. Then 1 by 5 is 5. So plus, you have 8 minus 5 to be 3 on 10. Right, on 10. So our LCM, that'll be what? 10. The LCM to be 10. Or if you want to use a cross multiplication also, after getting the answer, we have to simplify. I'll be using the LCM, since 5 can go into 10. So the LCM is 10. Then 5 into 10, that is 2. 2 by 6 is 12. Then 10 into 10, that is 1. So 1 by 3, that is what? 3. So I'll have 15 on 10, which can simplify it. 5 into this 2, 5 into this 3. So we get 3 on 2. In mixed fraction, 2 go into 3, that is 1. And there'll be a remainder of 1, so the 1 on 2. You can leave your answer in mixed fraction. So this is very simple. If you can try the next fraction for us to see, that would be very good. Right, so let's work the other one here. I hope you have copied this one in our lesson. So right, so this we have 10 divided by bracket open 3 whole number 1 on 2. Then we have plus 1 whole number 1 on 5. 1 on 5. Right, so with this you use the same odd mass 10 you see here. So divided by, this is 6. 6 plus 1, that would be 7 on 2 plus this one you have 5, that is 6 on 5. So with this you have 10 divided by, you still solve the one in bracket. So here we have 2 by 5 is 10, and this is 35. That's 5 by 7, 35, plus we have this by this will give you, that is what, 12. 6 by 2, that is what, 12. Right, so with this we have 10 divided by, this will give out 47 on 10. Right, so from here we have 10 times, you interchange the numerator and the denominator, so you have 10 on 47, which will give you 100 on 47. Right, 147. So that will be the answer. If you want to change to mixed fractions, that will be 2 whole number 2 by 47. 14 by this 8, so 94, meaning there will be a remainder of what? 6. So 6 on 47. So that will be your answer for that. Right. So now the last thing is change of subject. Change of subject here. And right. So we have kill. We have a kill. Kill equals 1 on 3 m plus n, then by each. So with this, you have to make it linear by multiplying each side by the LCM, that is 3. So 3 times Q equals 3 times 1 on 3 by m plus n h. Right, so this cancel this. You have 3Q equals this m plus n by h. So this 3Q equals m by h. I'll give you mh or hm. And this also nh. And since they are saying you should make m the subject, can transfer the nh here. We have 3Q minus nh equals mh. Then divide through by the coefficients of n. So 3Q minus nh on h equals m h on h, so that the h cancel h. Then you have your m to be 3 kilo minus nh on h. I hope it's simple. Right, so you can also solve it yourself and look at